Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can earn $100 a day without investing or trading on BYBIT. Okay, before I show you quickly that, I would like to beg you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so let's quickly go into that and see what we currently have. So the next thing you need to do, make sure you have a verified BYBIT account. And if you do not have that, I will drop you the link at the comment section and also at the descriptive section of this very video. Okay, so you can see this is my dashboard. Okay, you can look at the dashboard carefully and see what exactly is going on here. Okay, you can see this. You see this place: BYBIT N, NFT, card, rewards up, invitations, copy trading, trading box, and more. So the only thing I want to show you here is the reward hubs. Click on the reward hubs. Okay, in this reward hubs, you can be able to earn $100 a day or even more without a single deposit or single trading. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to check here, check on this my task. You can see the task 1025 USD referral tax. Say invite a friends, you will both earn 25 USDT and a mystery box worth of 1000 USDT. Okay, you gain all this simply by what? By just referring a friend. So why can't you just pick up quickly now and start doing this? Okay, so you get 10 USDT bonus derivatives here. Invite your first qualified referee. Okay, so win up to 1000 USDT for every draw. You want to play a game here? Be fortunate and gain 1000 USDT. Okay, so in this place now you can send a giveaway invitations or you invite friends and earn up to 30% commissions. You can now see this. This is very simple. Okay, all you just need to do is to pick up your phone now, make sure you have a verified BYBIT account and start referring now. Okay, refer and get a lot of USDT in bonus. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.